Hello, this is Alek from alekstanovic.com and you are watching the video number 4 from the Create Your First Blog with Alek video series called Why WordPress. In a world in which technology advances faster than a speeding locomotive, WordPress is blogging made easy and free. How else can you get your message out to a potential audience of millions worldwide and spend exactly nothing? The software's free price tag, its ease of use, and the speed at which you can get your blog up and running are great reasons to use WordPress to power your personal or business blog. In this video, I introduce you to the WordPress blogging platform so that you can begin to discover how effective it is as a tool for creating your blog. Let's see the benefits of WordPress. One of the questions I'm most frequently asked is, how can I run a blog? I don't even know how to code or create websites. My answer is always use WordPress. You no longer need to worry about knowing the code because the WordPress blogging software does the code part for you. When you log into your blog, you have to do only two simple things to publish your thoughts and ideas. The first one is to write your post and the second one is to publish your post, and that's it. WordPress offers the following competitive advantages as the most popular blogging tool on the internet. The first one is diversity. 3 versions of WordPress are available to suit nearly every type of blogger. The first one is hosted version, which is 100% free. The second is self-hosted version, which needs domain and web hosting. And the third one is the multi-user version that lets you offer blogs across a group or organization. Each of these versions will be explained in more detail in the video number 5 called Choosing a WordPress Platform. WordPress is one of the only blogging platforms that can brag about a 5-minute installation and stand behind it. Signing up for the hosted version of WordPress takes approximately the same amount of time. 5 minutes is an approximate installation time. It doesn't include the time required to obtain domain registration and web hosting services or to set up the options in the administration panel. When you complete the installation, the world of WordPress awaits you. The administration panel is intuitive, well organized, and easy to use. Everything is clear and logical, making it easy for even a first-time user to see where to go to manage settings and options. The WordPress software surely has enough meat on it to keep the most experienced developer busy and happy. At the same time, it's intuitive and friendly enough to make a novice user happy about how easy getting started is. The most exciting and fun part of running a WordPress blog is exploring the flexibility of the software. Hundreds of plugins and themes are available to let you create a blog that functions the way you need it to. If you think of your blog as a blender, plugins are the attachments. The attachments don't function alone, and when you add them to your blender, you add to the functionality of your blender, possibly improving its performance. All WordPress blogs are pretty much the same at their core, so by using plugins you can truly individualize your blog by providing additional features and tools to benefit yourself and your readers. When you come upon a WordPress blog that has some really different and cool functions, 99% of the time you can include that function in your own blog by using a WordPress plugin. If you don't know what plugin that blog is using, feel free to drop the blog owner an email or leave a comment because WordPress blog owners usually are eager to share the great tools they discover. Most plugins are available at no charge. You can find out more about WordPress plugins and where to get them in upcoming videos where I talk about the 10 essential WordPress plugins available for free download and how to set them up properly. In addition to using plugins, you can decorate your WordPress blog with templates and themes. WordPress comes pre-packaged with one theme to get you started, which is displayed by default after you install and set up your blog. A great reason to start using WordPress is the incredibly supportive and passionate community of WordPress users. WordPress has a large and loyal helping members community via forums and blogs geared to use WordPress where you can find all the answers to your questions. Now that you know more about WordPress and its benefits, it's time to choose the right WordPress platform for your blog. This is why I invite you to watch the next video called Choosing a WordPress Platform. In that video, we will discuss in more detail about the two main types of WordPress blogging platforms and how to choose the best one that will suit your needs in order to create your first blog. Before you go, I have two questions for you. Do you like the idea of making money online, blogging about something that you are passionate or knowledgeable about? Would you like to learn how to start earning the income you deserve? If you do, I invite you to visit my blog at www.alexstanovic.com/work-with-Alec. If you are like me and dream about being your own boss and working from the comfort of your home, this is where you will find some very interesting information about one business opportunity and why this day could be the beginning of a beautiful friendship and partnership. Thanks for watching video number 4, and I'll see you in the video number 5.